What is the background of Damsak, and what problem were you trying to solve? How can that be applied to mining and manufacturing?
When I started Damsak, I actually tried to solve a problem that I had on my farm, and that is water storage. I considered various options and came to the conclusion that all the alternatives to Damsak were either very expensive and or took a long time to implement. And then I thought of the idea of making a bladder out of a tarpaulin to store water, and that's how Damsak was born, the original idea. And that happened back in 2007 for the first time. We manufactured the Damsak in that way. The capacity at that stage was 200,000 litres. It worked very well for 5 years, and then we came to the conclusion this concept certainly is very valid, and it's also applicable to anywhere in the world where people need to store water, as any other tank would be. And that's when we decided to start the business Damsak and manufacture them commercially and sell them. We quickly realized that the Damsak presents an instant long-term solution for any water storage application because it's so easy to transport and quick to deploy. We keep Damsaks, we prefer to keep Damsaks in stock. So if any industry, for instance mining, suddenly has the need for storing water, we can have him up and running regarding the water storage in a day or two. We were approached by mining not very long time ago because they developed an acute problem with water security. And we quickly realized that a Damsak is indeed a very suitable solution and a quick long-term solution for their problem. We also realized very quickly that Damsaks offered a perfect solution for very remote sites, and also if sites have to be changed, because this is something that cannot be done with conventional reservoirs, which take a long time to install and cannot be moved afterwards and are also very expensive.